You're exactly right. Had I walked in and said, good morning, we're only going to take a minute, we don't want to waste your time because we know you got a lot of real estate transactions to do. We just want to point out that you're fixing to have the third greatest year in volume sold in American history. Right? And you would all go, heck yeah, man, let's crush this. And then you look at all the other slides and you go, ooh, it's really bad. It's really bad. Yeah, and it is. Make no mistake about it. I mean, I believe that no matter, in spite of that volume, I truly believe that 2023 will be a really tough year. It will be very, very hard. It will be hard. And if you don't work hard to match the hard, your year's going to suck. And what I notice is that there are people that don't do anything different than they were doing during the good times. You can't do that. When times get hard, you have to ramp it up. You have no choice.